Well, ladies and gentlemen, the hedge got cut on Thursday. It's now Saturday. As you can see, it looking a lot nicer, neat and tidy. Let's have a look through here. It's now, what time is it now? Now 9 o'clock. Saturday evening. Lovely warm evening here. I'm going to take you for a quick walk around the garden. Here we go, everything's really starting to flower nicely now. The lupins here are looking amazing. 7 or 8 flower spikes for each one. Agapanthus growing well over there. These hollyhocks all get a little bit of rust on, but I can spray for that later. Aquiledias, columbines, absolutely outstanding. We come round here. My carnation, which I'm really looking forward to getting the first flowers on that. This lupin, grown from seed last year. So that's been out all winter. So that is going to produce some really nice flowers, that. Here we go. Papavera somniferum, the opium poppy there. Next to a foxglove, digitalis, and this beautiful pink carnation. This is absolutely beautiful. Come round here. We have the hedge looking really nice on this side. And here, beautiful peony. This nice tall aquiledias next to it. Some more hollyhocks. These looking a lot healthier. We come down. My dwarf, delphinium. The flowers just starting to appear. And we come here. My clematis. A nice flower bud on it there. Beautiful. And then we have this amazing peony. Look at the size of those flowers. Absolutely outstanding. This is my oriental poppy, Diane Joyce. Absolutely amazing. This is also an oriental poppy. Beautiful. Salmon pink flowers on that. I'm just going over. It's been out a few days, that one. But I've got another couple of flower heads on there ready to come through. Come down here. My bleeding heart is just about finished flowering now. Just starting to go over. With some forget-me-nots. Next to this beautiful large peony. Can't wait till this flowers. It's going to be epic. And then next to that we have one of my first looping flowers that are out. Beautiful purple. Let me come down here. This is white flux. This is a scented variety. Absolutely gorgeous. My first flower store on my bearded iris. It's looking well. And then some more columbine, aquiledias, Easter bonnet, whichever one you want to call them. And then we have here Lucifer, crocosmia, next to 2 more flower spikes I've just noticed. And then we have my tree lilies here that need spraying. They need spraying for lily beetle. This corner is really nice. Such a beautiful combination of flowers. And then we have here all my pots. These are my red begonias from last year. These were plug plants last year. Kept them in the same pot, just dried them out over winter. These are going to start flowering soon. You see in here, just starting to get some flower buds there, which is great. But the rest is just starting to come out nicely. Then we have some Agapanthus that have grown from seed 3 years ago. This one's just been potted on with some petunias around the edge, just to get a little bit of extra colour. Then my 2 baskets. That's my pelargonium, the ring of begonias and a ring of petunias. So that is going to look amazing. This one up here is flowering and smelling divine. This is petunias from last year that I saved. And these are new ones grown from seed this year. So I can't wait till these start flowering. It's just starting to get a flower bud on there. That's going to be a different colour, which is great. And then we have my sweet peas down there as we come round. These marigolds, beautiful with violas. And I've got some petunias in there, and a dahlia in the middle, Agapanthus, Queen Mum this one's called. And a big variety there, same again. This is my Petunia Tower, as I like started calling it, because it's just got petunias in this year. And this is flowers from last year that have been overwintered and kept. So I put them in there, doing really well. I've started using a 6-month slow release feed, so I'm not having to feed every week. Sprinkle that on top, and they're really enjoying that. Petunias all the way to the bottom. One dahlia, that's from last year, in there. Then we have, here's my tower. Here's my sweet pea tower. Just see the sweet peas coming up there, surrounded by marigolds and petunias, with a cactus dahlia, capriole dahlia, a big dinner plate variety of that. Got a pop here, the opium pop, Papa somniferum, that is just starting to send out its main flower shoot. Come round here, this is my beautiful clematis, absolutely humongous flowers on that. And then we have this beautiful yellow Aquilegia columbine. This is a delphinium grown from seed last year. That's the first year in the ground, so that is going to look beautiful. As we come round here, these are my Agapanthus 3rd year. These need all potting on. Have a quick scan round. And this absolutely amazing clematis. But yeah, that's everything. This is my other sweet pea tower. Just try and get the bit of lights are getting dark now. And this just started to get its first flower buds on there. Just see them there. So yeah. If you've got any questions about anything in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.